Notcoin is down nearly 23% and is maybe posing the best buying opportunity. Today we're going to talk about what Notcoin is and why you should buy. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Omar Khan, and today we're talking about Notcoin as currently ranking number 6 on the trending board, priced at just over 1 cent, down 1% on the day and down 23% on the week with a $1 billion market cap. What is Notcoin doing and why should you load up? Before we do the video, guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. And like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Talking about Notcoin, guys, a bunch of bullish things going on. Obviously, it's trending, even though it's in the red. And we see it is up a little bit on the day, which is good. $1 billion market cap, top 60 cryptocurrency on the overall coin market cap, and ranked number 45 in terms of volume. And we see a ton of volatility. We see some interesting news related to crypto, not necessarily to Notcoin, but the overall market. Glad to hear news of CZ Binance out of prison. Entire crypto community missed him too much for too long. Not sure the official source of the news, but it is true. It's good, positive news for Binance and the entire blockchain community. Welcome back. Hope to see you again in action like before. Obviously, CZ Binance, a massive advocate for meme coins and the Binance platform. And again, if he's back in control, we can hopefully get some more hype and get this bull run in full momentum. Notcoin technical reports looking pretty bearish. We see the moving averages are at strong sell. Also is at neutral. Give us a total summary of sell, which is not too shabby. In my personal opinion, I think it poses a great buying opportunity. We go to the official Twitter account, 2.5 million followers, currently in phase 3, probably nothing. We see a new story begins, tips for I guess the crypto community, rewards 25 million in Notcoin, access to Notcoin and their program. Some games might be launched in Notcoin. Okay, Notcoin contest. We're excited to announce the next contest, a part of Notcoin strategy. We invite all rule breakers, game devs, and Web3 degens to join us in our building games that are actually cool. Looks like they want to be big in the play to earn and gaming space in the crypto realm, and we know that's been an absolute massive market. We see the beta phase started in December 31st, 2023. And again, since then, it's going pretty successful, right? In the mining phase, very clean website as well, just 1 second. And then we got Notcoin, beautiful coin, beautiful graphic, right? I love the website. It's fun, it's interactive. We just click, we're just clicking away. Okay, all right. Oh wow, that's looking so cool. Taking a deep dive into the web of crypto. In just 3 months, 35 million people joined Notcoin. It's absolutely bullish, and became the community, which is awesome. And then we can see with over 53,000 Telegram community squad, which is again very bullish. Community is everything. So friends, now it's your turn to find out what Notcoin really is, and we're going on this deep dive journey. You can explore, you can play, you can contribute, and you can earn, buy or sell. They have it all. Notcoin is not what you want it to be. What is it? Drumroll, please. Building phase. Notcoin, 35 million users from all over the world earn Notcoin already, which is not what. But what really is this project? We go over to the Telegram and we see Notcoin is not like other coin. Notcoin is different. No investors, no big wills, no shady schemes. There's $0 spent on marketing. Pure community driven growth from 0.4% of Earth's population. Still love the beauty of this number. The biggest influencers still have 0.2% of tokens. All the other heavy contributions during the past 6 months rewards are less than 25% total. And you can see that Notcoin vouchers, how decentralized it is. Around 300 people invested. People issued 800k vouchers and garnered 25 million plus volume in P2P sales, which is pretty bullish. They have a whole about tab as well. Positive sum, respect and reality. So again, not posing some crazy dreams. And again, we can see all over the world how many users and people, which is pretty bullish to see. Very clean, simple website when you get past all that gateway. But again, simple design. They're trying to be something different, which is something I like to see. You know, a little change of pace, right? We can see Notcoin is we see they don't even have an about tab on CoinMarket, which is crazy, and it's just showing the price. Okay, so it's pretty bullish. Again, now guys, they've made a massive community. Kind of reminds me of Turbo, building a massive community project just organically. And in my personal opinion, these organic driven projects have the absolute most momentum, which again should make sense to load it up early. So when I saw this is down and trending, I saw it as a tremendous opportunity to load up myself, and I want to bring an opportunity for you guys to see as well. But again, not financial advice. Talking about an opportunity, guys, I want to end the video talking about Pepe Unchained, a pre-sale project that poses a great opportunity. Pepe now has its own blockchain, and guys, it's Pepe Unchained. Over 200% in AP, instant bridging between ETH and Pepe, low transaction fees, higher volume capacity, and dedicated block explorer. Here's the kicker: in 1 day, 5 hours are raising prices, so now is the best time to buy at the absolute lowest price. They've already raised $10 million in the pre-sale alone, so you're not going to want to miss out on this gem of a project. Link in the description below. I made dedicated videos about Pepe Unchained in the past before, so I won't bore you with extra details. But if you want to load up, guys, the pre-sale is going to end soon. Make sure you load up now. That wraps up for you guys. This is your friend Umar. Until next time, peace.